What up, guys? It's Nicole, aka Chicane Cars, and my girl Sammy, aka That Bitch Sammy. We are here with the 2015 370Z NISMO. This is Chris Wood. He's letting us use his space today, so thank you, Chris. Yeah, so
which is this whole giant piece right here.
It'll be cool to take this off and kind of like set it next to what we have going in to kind of compare and contrast the differences.
Yep.
Let's get started. Playing it. Fact checking. Alex says 2.5 inches. I say 2.25 inches on the 2015 NISMO.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Speaking of which, I'm not sure I'm crazy about the blue titanium tips. In my opinion, anything that's not black or stainless steel is kind of tacky. So I might swap these out after the fact, but we'll see how it looks.
For now.
Yeah, dude, that's way too much. It's like fucking. I think we're heading back to me. Going down.
Sit down, let it, lick it, pull it down, take it, hold it, pass it down, lick it down, down, lick it down, down, lick it down, down.